Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be giving you a brand new and emerging trend TikTok tutorial, which is the 3D photo trend. Now you've probably seen this all over your For You page and it has been everywhere recently. Today I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to do that, and it is really simple, so make sure you stick around to the end for a few tips and pieces of advice. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing because we're nearly at 1,000 subscribers, which is a huge milestone for me. And as well, benefit for you, you'll be getting content and TikTok tutorials which will keep you up to date on the newest and emerging TikTok trends. Furthermore, I'd like to apologise for my lack of uploads recently. I know many of you watching this are new, so you probably don't care, but for my returning subscribers, I will be uploading a lot more, and I'm sorry for my hiatus. I was just filled up with uni work. I was literally about to explode. But let's get back onto the TikTok tutorial. Now let's talk about the songs. The main 5 songs that I hear is Sky, Playboy Carti. I also hear Miss the Rage, Trippy Red. I also hear Funky Town by Player Bonk. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I hear Kushi, Tell 'em, featuring Snot or $sign Not. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. And the final song that I hear is quite a lot actually. Is Hung Up by Madonna. Fantastic track. Now this trend is so easy to complete. Honestly, you can do it in one step. What you will need, and the main thing for this TikTok tutorial, is the app CapCut. If you don't have this app, I've used it on the channel before, but if you do not have this, go onto the Google Play or the App Store and simply type in CAPCUT, CapCut, spelled easy as that. Once you've installed the app, click onto it and click New Project. This will obviously enable a new project for you, and you'll be presented with your camera roll, which is videos, photos and whatever else you put in your camera roll. I'm not judging you. Now the pictures you want to pick, you can pick whatever you like. This tutorial and this trend works with every single picture you have. You'll see later in the video that I use food that I had last night from the pub and it works fantastic. I use cartoons and it works fantastic. But most people use full body pictures because it apparently looks best and looks most effective for the 3D TikTok trend. So once you finally pick the pictures for your TikTok, all you want to do then is click onto the picture, and at the bottom of the screen you will see a little scroll option. You want to scroll and then you want to click style. It also might have new on it as well because it's a brand new filter. Now once you've clicked on style, there will be only one option. It might be different if you're watching in the future, but it will say 3D zoom, and you want to click that and it will take a few seconds to generate. When it gets to 100%, then you have officially finished the TikTok tutorial trend. It is as simple as that. However, do not click off the video yet because I will be telling you how to sync up your music. But you can also preview your clip so you can see if you want to change your clip. So once you have applied the 3D zoom effect, then you want to play your clip and show how amazing it is. As you can see in the trend, I have used a few different pictures, 5 in total, to match up with the song. Now if you don't know how to use the song for your TikTok, I'll be showing you how to do so. All you have to do is save the video from the TikTok you want to originally use. So I used Sky by Playboy Carti. There was a video online on the TikTok For You page and I held it down and saved it. Once it is in your camera roll, it is ready to import. So you go back to your project and it will say add audio below your video. You want to press add audio, then you want to press extracted, and then you want to find the video which has the audio you want to use, the song you want to use, and you can simply add that in. You can press on the audio and trim it to the selected points you want to use, unless you want to use the whole video, which many people do. I just use the end of the video where the bass drops and the bass changes. And as well, you see my food picture. I tell you, it works with everything. I went to the pub yesterday. It was £4 barbecue chicken melt. I thought it was alright. Tell me what you think in the comments. And once you have positioned all your videos and you've played it through and it looks fantastic, you may realise at the end it says CapCut and there's a little ending. All you have to do to delete that is press on the CapCut and then press delete in the bottom right, and your video is finished. You want to play it through, have a check again, final check, make sure before you post it, and then you want to press at the top right and that will be the upload option. You can fiddle with the settings and from there you can actually share directly to TikTok. And when you share directly to TikTok, it will give you a CapCut filter, and you also want to tag me at Ben Barwick because I do love to see Ben Barwick 0, sorry, because I do love to see your wonderful creations, and I'll be sure to give you a like. If you want to see this lovely face more often, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on TikTok. I post daily on TikTok. I post somewhat weekly on YouTube. I used to post weekly, but it's a little bit different now, a little bit tough. So thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope you're having a great day, everyone. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.